So I'm going to demonstrate how safe these trigger locks really are. I'm just going to put it on my gun. Good and tight. Now you think, can't use it, right? You can still pack a wad down there and put the cap in. It just makes it a little bit harder to use the gun. Pull on it just right, boom, it still will fire. Just makes it a little bit harder. So that thing's really clamped down on there. It'll still fire. So I'm going to flip the lock around, see if it's any secure the other direction, which I really doubt it is. So pretty much the only thing these things will do is discourage people, but you can still fire the gun. It's not all that secure. And it might actually work that way. You know what, if I pull down straight on it, it'll still fire. You gotta hit it just right. Yeah, see? So I mean, it's not very safe. Don't trust it. I mean, seriously? The key on there? That's so easy to be picked. Really, I mean, come on.